Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we are going to see how we can edit a PDF file for free using our smartphone. For that we will first need obviously a smartphone and an app called WPS Office. For that we will go to Play Store and type in WPS Office. Here I already have the and now let's see the PDF which I want to download edit using this app. For that, I will go to this folder page. Here I have this PDF file called test.pdf. I will open this file using WPS Office. As you can see, it just has two lines and I want to edit this line. If you can read this, you have Adobe Acrobat Reader installed on your computer. Instead of computer, I want to add mobile. For that, we will have this option called Tools here in the bottom left corner. Now we will go to the Edit section. Here, as we can see, an option called Text Editor. Click on this option. As you can see, a dotted lines surrounded by the text. We can only edit the text that is surrounded by these dotted lines. Now here, I will type in mobile. Now as you can see, our PDF file has been edited. Now if I hit on the done button, as you can see, we are getting a pop-up for the payment, but we need to download it for free. So what we are going to do is, in the bottom here we can see edit picture option. We will click on that so that these dotted lines get removed. Here we can see the dotted lines are removed now. Now we are going to take the screenshot of this picture and the PDF file. We can take it by just swiping top to bottom of 3 fingers. Now I have this screenshot here in DCIM and screenshot. Now here I can see this screenshot, but we need to crop this screenshot so that we can have only PDF content in it. We will edit it and crop it. Here I have the content of my PDF file, which is just edited by the WPS Office. I will now save it. Now I have my PDF file. Here the image of that PDF file. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to convert this JPG image to PDF file using online editor. Here we can visit JPG to PDF. Here I will upload that file over this site to convert it to the PDF. So this is my file. I have uploaded it on this website and hit the convert button. Now I will download this PDF file. Now as you can see, I have the PDF file successfully converted it, and with the latest content we want to edit, we can get this PDF file in our file manager and the download section. Now this is the converted PDF file which we have just edited and converted. Here you can see the content. This is a test PDF document. If you can read this, you have Adobe Acrobat Reader installed on your mobile, which was earlier the computer but now got replaced by mobile. If you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. If you have any query, you can ask in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.